We begin with television. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character. Mandeville.
Jerry.
Jerry.
That's correct. Sports. With which sport in the USA would you associate the name Russell Westbrook? Basketball. Bible knowledge. Which New Testament book tells about Saul's conversion to Paul? Acts. Science. In what metric unit is time measured? Seconds. English language. Form an adjective from the word care. Mandeville.
Caring.
Caring.
That's incorrect. Or that's accepted, that's correct. Or careful would have also been accepted. Music. What is the birth name of the Jamaican artiste Conscience? Mcintosh. Time's up. It's Garfield Palmer. General knowledge. What's the street address of the official residence of the British Prime Minister? Mcintosh.
10 Downing Street.
10 Downing Street.
Of the British Prime Minister. That's correct. Theatre. It's a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. It's Barbara Streisand. Mathematics. What is 1/3 divided by a half as a Mcintosh?
2/3.
As a fraction in its lowest terms, 2/3 is correct. Social studies. On which continent is Saudi Arabia? Look, Mandeville?
Asia.
That's correct. General knowledge. A trident is featured on the flag of which? Mandeville?
Barbados.
Barbados.
Which Caribbean country? That's correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Mandeville.
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. How old was Jesus when he stayed behind in Mcintosh?
12 years old.
12 years old.
To reason with the elders in the temple while his parents already left. 12 years old is correct. Science. Which 13-letter word starting with M means the process of transformation of an insect from an immature form to an adult form in 2 or more distinct stages? Metamorphosis. English language. Form a noun from the word scarce. Mcintosh.
Scarceful.
That's incorrect. It's scarcity or scarceness. Music. Which female American singer released a song in 2017 called Look What You Made Me... Mcintosh?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor
Look
Swift.
What You Made Me Do. Taylor Swift is correct. General knowledge. How many items are in a baker's dozen? Mcintosh?
13.
13.
That's correct. Local affairs. Who is the president of JAMPRO, Jamaica's Trade and Investment Agency? Diane Edwards. Mathematics. What's the value of x if 2x plus 3 equals 57? Mcintosh?
27.
That's correct. Social studies. Which popular festival in Barbados was formerly known as Harvest Home? Mandeville.
Over.
Crop over.
Crop is correct. Bible knowledge. What was the 9th of the 10 plagues? Mcintosh.
Darkness.
Darkness.
To affect Egypt in the time of Moses, darkness is correct. English language. Give a 5-letter noun starting with N, which means a person, and we cannot finish that question. What a close match. However, Mcintosh Memorial Primary came out victorious on 32 points. Mandeville Primary on 29 points. Mcintosh Memorial Primary, a hearty congratulations to you. Mandeville Primary, excellent, excellent effort.